the group that became Yenem Velt, I invited Carl Reiner, Mel Brooks, the wittiest writer of all of Larry Gelbart, and DeLuise, 5 couples. And I mean, we had the great laughing time of our lives, all of us. And so for years, once or twice a year, maybe for 6 or 8 years, we went away for a weekend. There were weekends when we arrived on Friday evening, woke up Saturday morning and had breakfast in our bedclothes and laughed so hard and so completely, we never got out of the clothes. We got dressed to go home Sunday night. Oh my God, those years. And we called ourselves Yenem Velt, which is Yiddish for the other world. And Larry Gelbart once said he was stayed in the bedroom. He said he was writing a song, and it sounded like he was working for hours. It took, at the end of the afternoon, he came out and he had these sheets of paper with the words, the lyric, and he handed us all the full lyric. And the song was, "Oh, Yenem Velt, oh, 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 Yenem Velt." It never changed. And we were sitting around the table the first night. We decided we would sing the song before every meal. And as we sat there side by side, Carl said, "Let's do this." He put his finger in the next person's ear. So we all put our right hand in the ear of the guy sitting to our right and sang, "Oh, Yenem Velt, oh, Yenem Velt," a couple of times a year for years.